Hey, Courtney?
Yes.
Make sure you ask Jay who got him fired up for this race finally.
I will.
I told him his stuff sucks. He asked
will.
Me, he goes, hey man, you want to buy my motors? They're faster than yours. I said, but they don't turn on wind lights, Jay. He's been on fire since then.
I called him out on Harvey earlier. You took my microphone, asked my question. I said, since you took my job, I'm going to say it. He left on your roll now.
Oh!
I'll probably get in trouble for saying ass, but it was worth it. Worth it. Jerry Bickle, top end zone. We are crowning semifinal winners here at the Red Line Nationals at Darlington Dragway. Before you start bumping your gums and steal my microphone again, Tommy Franklin wanted me to ask, who got you riled up for this? Because you tried to sell him some engines, and he said, nah.
He got me riled up. He said I didn't know how to win no more. And like Deion Sanders said, he made it personal. Mr. B, if you're watching, buddy, I'm going to do my best to pull this one out for you. I love you. I appreciate everything you're doing for us.
Listen, we talked earlier today, and I said that you got the car. Things are going your way. You just haven't been able to get those win lights. Got your opportunity here against the boss man.
Just needed a little look, baby. I've had a bad hot rod all year. Just needed a little look.
All right. Good luck.
I'm going to get a boss man a fit.
And we are down here at the Jerry Bickle top end zone. I get to hand out the first trophy of the night. Tommy Franklin, congratulations. Pro Nitrous win here at the Red Line Carolina Nationals at Darlington Dragway. Big time of the year to make moves.
It is big time of the year. Hey, we come in here, we know we gotta win rounds. We gotta go out here and win races. That's all we've been focusing on. Big shout out to Red Line coming here sponsoring this race. Great company. I've said it all day long. I can just keep repeating it. Jerry Bickle Race Cars, Pat Musey, my whole crew, every one of them rock, man. It's just always so calm in our pit. We just very methodical, do what we got to do. Everybody out there that watches us and cheers for us, thank you. PDRA Nation, thank you. It's good to run my boy Jay in the final. I had to get in him a little bit earlier in the weekend and tell him, and I think I got them all, bounced up a little bit to come out here and race. So it's awesome, but I come out here do this with my family and all my friends, and it's great. And hey, man, you know what we're doing. Just here to turn wind lights on.
Listen, the pumpkin driver over there, it ain't Halloween yet. It's Tommy Franklin's day, and here comes the crew. Go enjoy this. Congratulations.
Thank you.